10 natural ways to remove tartar buildup. Tartar sauce might be great on your fish, but nobody likes to have tartar on their teeth. And I'm talking about bacteria-filled plaque that hardens and stains your pearly whites. When not removed, it becomes rough and can actually lead to gum disease. Not to mention, those yellow stains can make you feel pretty self-conscious about your smile. But don't worry, you've got everything you need to pulverize that plaque right in your kitchen. Here are 10 totally natural ways to get rid of tartar buildup from your teeth. Before we get into the recipes, don't forget that we have tons of useful videos like this one on our channel. So become an official Brightsider by clicking that subscribe button. Give the notification bell a ring while you're at it so that you don't miss any of our daily uploads. Number 10. Baking soda and salt. You can start with this simple yet effective method of tartar removal. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with a pinch of salt and put some of this mixture on your toothbrush. Alternatively, you can add it to your regular toothpaste too. Just don't brush your teeth with baking soda more than once a week, since its abrasiveness can damage your enamel. Besides helping you out in the struggle against tartar, baking soda has a number of other oral health benefits. It supports healthy oral pH levels. Its antimicrobial properties reduce the number of harmful bacteria in your mouth, and it helps remove stains from your teeth, giving you a whiter, brighter smile. Now, a lot of people think baking soda is dangerous to use on your teeth because it contains aluminum. This is nothing more than a common misconception. Baking soda does not contain any aluminum. What does contain aluminum, though, is some types of baking powder. And they don't even have pure aluminum, just aluminum derivatives. Still, baking soda is pretty abrasive, so again, don't use it more than once a week on your teeth. Number 9. Orange peel. You ever wonder what to do with orange peel leftovers? Such a shame to just throw them away, you know? Well, waste no more. If you're looking to get rid of stains and tartar buildup from your teeth, simply rub the white part of the peel directly over your teeth for 2 to 3 minutes. You can also make a paste and apply it to your teeth. Whichever you choose, rinse your mouth with lukewarm water afterwards. You can use orange peel on your teeth about 2 to 3 times a week. Citrus fruits are generally good at removing plaque stains because they contain acids. Orange peel in particular contains soluble fiber, vitamin C, pectin, and limonene. These elements serve as sort of a prevention in that they fight food debris that otherwise accumulates on your teeth. Besides, some of these components serve as natural whiteners. For example, limonene is a compound in many teeth whitening products. Another advantage of using orange peel to keep your teeth healthy is the fact that it's not as acidic as the fruit itself, so it doesn't erode your enamel. Number 8. Lemon juice. Replace orange peel with lemon juice if you want better and faster results. Lemon acids not only dissolve plaque, but also whiten teeth more effectively than orange peel. Dip your toothbrush in fresh lemon juice and gently rub it over the teeth. Leave it on for a minute before rinsing. Since it's more abrasive, you should only use this method once every 2 weeks. Otherwise, you can really harm your teeth. Also, if you have sensitive teeth, you should probably choose another way of removing dental plaque. Lemon juice contains too much citric acid, which can make your teeth become painful and overly sensitive. In some cases, it can also deprive your teeth of calcium, and that's a serious problem since lost calcium can't be replaced. Number 7. Sesame seeds. Sesame seeds have so many uses outside of the kitchen. You can use them against hair loss, for wound healing, preventing bug bites, treating frostbite, and of course, removing tartar. They act as a natural scrub that both polishes and cleans your teeth. All you've got to do is chew on 1 full tablespoon of seeds. Now, you want to create a kind of paste in your mouth without swallowing it in the process. After you've successfully completed this challenge, take a dry toothbrush and brush your teeth with paste. You can use this method twice a week. An additional benefit of sesame seeds is their ability to lower the number of Streptococcus bacteria in your mouth. That is that nasty, highly contagious strand of bacteria that gives you strep throat. Number 6. Hydrogen peroxide and mouthwash. Since both of these ingredients have highly effective antibacterial properties, they make a great team when combined. Mix 1 tablespoon of antiseptic mouthwash with 3 tablespoons of 3% hydrogen peroxide solution. Gargle this mixture for a couple of minutes and follow it up with clean water. Hydrogen peroxide has an additional benefit of being a teeth whitener. You can use it as such in two ways, either as a rinse or as a paste. In the second case, mix it with 2 teaspoons of baking soda and leave the resulting concoction on your teeth for 2 to 3 minutes. After that, rinse the paste off with water. Number 5. Coconut oil. Another thing you can reach for in your kitchen cupboard is coconut oil. In a popular procedure called oil pulling, the coconut oil absorbs dirt in the mouth, reduces tartar and plaque, and helps you get rid of bad breath. On top of that, it also has an antibacterial effect against all the microorganisms that have decided to call your mouth their home. Swish 1 or 2 tablespoons of coconut oil around in your mouth for 10 to 15 minutes. Don't worry, it tastes great. Then spit it out and rinse well with warm water. Number 4. Strawberries and tomatoes. Both tomatoes and strawberries are rich in vitamin C, so you can use them if lemons or oranges aren't your thing. Chop up and blend either of them into a paste and put it on your teeth. Leave it there for 5 minutes, then rinse your mouth out with water. On the other hand, you should be extra careful with strawberries if you have sensitive teeth. Strawberries contain ascorbic acid, which can harm your enamel. If you still go for this method, it's recommended to use fluoride toothpaste to brush your teeth right after you rinse your mouth. Number 3. Aloe vera and glycerin. This combination is a whole concoction of goodness for your teeth. Mix 1 teaspoon of pure aloe vera gel, 4 teaspoons of vegetable glycerin, 10 drops of lemon essential oil, and 4 tablespoons of baking soda in 1 cup of water to get a smooth paste. Brush your teeth with this paste once a day until you see the tartar becoming less visible. Repeat this procedure every 3 to 4 days. Aloe vera helps teeth and gums heal while essential lemon oil fights bacteria. Number 2. Cloves. This spice has long been used as a pain remedy for toothache. It also kills oral bacteria. Grind the cloves or find a ready-made powder, add a little olive oil, and apply the mixture to the stained areas. One more way you can use cloves is to regularly chew on them to reduce bad breath caused by bacteria in the mouth. Try it instead of your usual chewing gum. Number 1. Sanguinaria. Now here's a bit of an unusual tartar removing method. Sanguinaria is a plant more commonly known as bloodroot. But it's not as weird as it seems at first glance. Bloodroot extract is often included in toothpaste. It's a safe antibacterial agent effective for reducing tartar. Just add 3 or 4 drops of Sanguinaria extract to a cup of warm water to make a mouthwash. It can be gargled every day or even twice a day. All these natural remedies can work if your tartar buildup hasn't reached critical levels yet. If it has, or if you have super sensitive teeth that react strongly to acids, please consult your dentist before trying any of these methods. There are special ways of removing plaque and tartar from teeth that can only be performed by the pros. Have you ever used any of these recipes to remove tartar? Do you know any other effective ways to get rid of plaque buildup? Let everybody know in the comments below. Remember to hit the like button if this video has been useful to you, and click subscribe to join us on the bright side of life.